I found some juniper a while back and I gathered a little bit of it so I can make a tea. But I've been trying to find a place where I can get out of the wind. And I found this cool little spot. See if I can get a fire going, and then I can use this little cubby here to protect me against the wind and brew up some juniper tea. It's always a good time. Use my little firebox today. Help me get a good efficient fire going without having to use very much fuel. It's one of the things I like about this. And makes a nice little stand for my cup. Okay, I got my little desert kitchen going on. Convenient little rock shelf placed out of the wind for me. Gonna brew up some juniper tea. Got it in there already. And I'm gonna use my firebox stove to cook it. Got some wood already here, some tinder. I'm gonna try to use my hand drill again to get the fire going. Little friction fire. Got my juniper tea up to a boil, so I pulled it off the fire so it can hang out under cover for a while. Leave it in there for about 10 minutes. Finish the brewing. So my little outdoor kitchen was a good thing. It did block out as much of the wind as I thought it would. I think the wind kind of shifted directions and started whirling back into this as I started going, but still it blocked enough of it that I got my water boiling and my fire started and all that. So my tea is done now. I've been sipping on it a bit. It's pretty good stuff. Stuff's supposed to be like an antibacterial, antiviral kind of thing. Research it if you care. Don't take my word for it. But sometimes I sip on it when I'm, we're getting into December here and there's a lot of colds and things like that going on. I don't know if it helps, but it feels good, and it's got that kind of a piney taste, so it's like Christmassy, right?